Ishak. It talks about Vinod Joshi, who is Vinod Khanna, and he was an employee in an office where Utpal Dutt was also one of the employee. But Utpal Dutt had some negative intentions, and he seemed to be involved in a theft involving few thousand rupees or more than that, and he put the blame on someone else since he was caught red-handed, and the person who actually saw him stealing the money, he was shot dead in an attempt of self-defense. And there was one lady called Rosie, who is Bindu, who used to stay with Utpal Dutt, and she used to like him genuinely, but he had even one fine day he got her killed. It was he who was responsible for her death, and while escaping he also had a handwritten note which he just put it in the office premises, saying that Vinod Joshi is the culprit and he is responsible for Rosie's death and the theft. And the handwritten note was somehow found by Shabana Azmi, his wife, and she started suspecting her hubby. But her hubby tried to convince her that he doesn't have any involvement with the death of murder of Rosie or the missing money or the theft money. But she was not able to believe it, since the handwritten note was discovered by her, was read by her and written by Utpal Dutt. So the investigation was on, but when the investigation was carried on, cops and all approached his house, Utpal Dutt's house, and the neighbor had seen Rosie alive when he had visited him. Vinod Joshi had visited his house, and while leaving, Rosie was there at the door and the neighbor saw. So the neighbor told the police that Vinod Joshi cannot be the culprit. He cannot be the one responsible for Rosie's death. So the investigation kept on happening, and the neighbor was the one who actually revealed his neighbor's secret. He knew that he was not a good man, and the secret came out. It was unearthed, and Vinod was left scot-free since he was innocent. And the movie ended on a happy note. Utpal Dutt was behind bars, but he has enacted role quite well as a negative man with notorious intentions. Bottom line, misunderstandings sometimes can ruin relationships. Trust is the thread which binds two people together. Oh, stars.